this video, I'm gonna talk about what happened to my channel, where did it go, and what I'm gonna do next. So stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a completely new channel, so welcome back to my new channel, just like how I used to say it. So welcome to my new channel. This is completely a new channel because my channel was deleted by YouTube, which is sad, really sad, because actually I was a little bit stupid. So I'm gonna tell you like a short story about what happened really quickly for my main channel, MiMi's Makeup, or Thinking Makeup with Mimi, as I used to call it before, which I used to have actually more than 500 videos. I had this channel from 2013. You know, it's a long journey, and all of a sudden it's completely deleted or taken down by YouTube because on other channel linked with the same email that's an old channel that I don't use anymore actually, and I have a little bit of views in it, but I don't use anymore. I don't upload any videos to it because it used to be my channel as a makeup seller online that I used to be from many years ago, from 2011 to 2014. 15, just from a really long time ago. I used to be a makeup seller online. So I use the channel to promote some of the product that I used to have and the product that I buy and sell to customers, so they can see the product, how it looks like, and it's original and all this stuff. This channel I didn't use it anymore, but lately, if you know Gaia TV, there was like from a while ago like a free 3 days like watching like documentaries and videos and all this stuff. I love Gaia TV because they have variety of videos, and I love watching a lot of things like Rewired by Joe Dispenza. I love it so much, and I love Great Britain. I watch it Missing Link like the 3 seasons, and I love these kind of videos. I love to like nourishing like absorb a lot of information like from time to time. So I was watching like Cosmic Disclosure. It's a kind of a weird show, but it's really interesting, talking about like aliens and all these space stuff. I love this show so much. I feel like it's weird, but it's really entertaining and really good. So I didn't had a lot of time, so I recorded some of the episodes and to save it later, because it was like 3 days, or I can't remember how many days, but it was like 3 days without being anything you can watch and see. So I just record some of these videos, and then I needed space on my computer because like screen recording actually takes a lot of space, especially if it's many episodes, like from 20 to 30 minutes every episode. It was kind of can't remember how many episodes, but it was a lot. So I tried to just like make it smaller in size with video editing programs, but it didn't work. So I decided to use a YouTube compressing technique because they are amazing. So I decided to upload them to my other channel that I don't use, upload them to my channel, and then download them again from my account, so it will be really small, so I can save them to watch them later, and in the same time it will be just like in small in size. My mistake that I didn't like delete these videos right away and just upload them and download them. It was completely unlisted. It wasn't public at all. It was unlisted because I wanted to download to my computer, so I made it unlisted. Nobody watched it, just me. And my mistake that I didn't delete them right away from my account. Back then that was no copyright, they were just fine, and this channel wasn't monetized or anything, so I didn't feel like it's a bad thing, it's unlisted, nobody watching it, so I download them and kind of forget about them for a couple of weeks. This is my mistake. I should delete them right away. Today, I just woke up. Actually, I got the email for my other account, like from the YouTube channel that I was uploaded. I uploaded the videos on, not my main channel, MiMi's Makeup. It was like all about makeup stuff. So I received an email like yesterday or from a couple of days that my account was terminated, taken down because I have a multiple copyright strikes all of a sudden from Gaia TV. So I said it's okay. Anyway, I don't use that channel at all, so I'm not feeling any bad. Today, I woke up with an email from YouTube telling me that my MiMi's Makeup channel was terminated and it was deleted by YouTube because I had another channel linked with the same email that was terminated and taken down. Because I have multiple copyright strikes, and I was like, what? Okay. I couldn't breathe at first, and still sometimes I'm feeling really, really sad. Still in shock, you can say, because I love this channel so much. It has a lot of work, a lot of memories, and I love that channel. And sometimes, I'm not really... Okay, I'm getting a little bit emotional. Okay, I'm feeling sad, feeling confused, but I don't like to give up easily. So what I did today, I did send an email to Gaia TV, the links that they sent me with YouTube, asking them that to remove the strikes and give me back my channel. And I said what I say right now to them in the email and describe everything. It was unlisted. I didn't use it for any any benefits or any profits or anything. It was completely for me. So Gaia TV, if you are watching me right now, if I didn't upload these videos to profit or to public them, to make people watch them, because I know there's a copyright, and I respect that copyright. I just use the YouTube compressing mechanism or ability, because they are amazing. The ability of YouTube to decrease the size of videos is phenomenal. It's amazing. I don't have any kind of video editing program that can actually make the size of a video file smaller in size, and at the same time preserve the good resolution. I don't have the ability, and I needed a space, so it was my mistake that I didn't delete them right away, but it was unlisted. All the videos were unlisted. Nobody watched them. Nobody. And I feel a little bit confused because it was unlisted. How on earth that they know about them? And it was copyright strike right away without any notification or alert, anything. So I sent them that email and hoping that they will answer me, but I'm not gonna wait around waiting for them to send me an email. Maybe they will see it, maybe not. So for me, I love to use Bane as it's a weird thing to say, but for me, I love to use Bane that I feel for my benefit, because I know I've been through this many times, through a lot of pain, frustration, feeling of loss, and I program my mind and program my brain to use that for my benefits, and instead of crying and weeping and just cursing and all that stuff. Yeah, it hurts. Yeah, it's painful. Yeah, I'm so sad because I don't have any data. I didn't have any of my videos, so 500, more than 500 actually, more than 500 videos is completely gone. Hours of recording and editing and days and months of working just gone completely. It's painful. I don't have any data, and I need to do all over again, all of them, and that's a ton of work. You have no idea how many days it can be taken to just edit one video to make it as perfect as possible. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of discipline. It's a lot of pain in your back. So yeah, it's painful, but I don't like to give up. I don't. Okay, over the years, I reprogrammed my mind to think in a different way. It took me a while to do that, but actually, I began to feel it lately, how I react to different situations, especially the bad ones, like the one that I have a lot of frustration, confusing, sadness, pain, all that stuff. One of the most important things that I do when I am in that situation, like feeling a lot of pain, a lot of loss, I watch the Secret movie. If you don't know about the Secret movie, it's an amazing movie. It's not a movie like there's an actors and all this stuff. It's like a documentary for the book The Secret. If you don't know about it, it's so recommended. It talks about law of attraction and how you are the creator of your own life and how you are able to do anything in this life, and you have the ability to attract everything you need in your life as you attract everything that you don't need in your life as well. It was a great change in my life when I discovered the Secret movie, the Secret book and the Secret movie. It was big thing. So every time I feel frustrated, sad, disappointed, depressed, feeling lost, like feeling the life is doing everything bad to me, I just watched the Secret movie. So that's what I did today after I received that email, and just I was confused and shocked for a while. The first thing I did after that, I watched the Secret movie, at least a part of it, because I watched it for over and over and over, like a million times, and I remember every single minute, every single second of it. So I watched a part of it today. It makes me feel more like all together again, makes me feel more stronger again. Yeah, this is the first day, so I'm going up and down in my emotions. That's completely normal. I'm a human being. Sometimes I feel overactive and like hyperactive, and I want to do a lot of things in the same time, so motivated to regain my channel back, even in a new one like now. And sometimes like I feel like so sad and cry. So I have like different emotions, but the way I reprogram my brain to try to benefit from the pain that I feel right now, to have a motivation or a momentum to make me stronger to go forward and continue the stuff and the work that I really love. I really enjoy recording videos. I really enjoy doing things on my channel. I love my channel. My channel is like a baby for me. I used to say, welcome to my baby channel, MiMi's Makeup. If you are following me from a while, you will hear me. I used to say that, welcome to my baby channel. It's not only a baby because it was small, it was a baby, it's my baby. I love that channel. It's like my baby, and I feel like I lost it. It's painful. Maybe you will feel silly like I say that, but yeah, it was a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of things in there, and really breaks my heart. But I know I'll get through this. I know I will get it back. Um, I will make this channel like better because now I will start fresh. I know a lot of editing techniques and stuff that I can start fresh. Um, I have people that follows me all the time, which is I'm so appreciated. I'm so blessed and so grateful for the few people that follow me everywhere and love watching my videos. I know they will find me. They will find me. So yeah, I don't want to make this video so long, but it's kind of a story in my life in one day. So yeah, that's it. I'm sorry I cried. But anyway, that's it for this video. Just yeah, pain is difficult. It's difficult to deal with, yeah, but you need to learn how to deal with it. You need to learn how to use it to your benefit. To not wasting time and power and energy in a wasted land. You need to. It's important. It's important to reprogram your mind and try to think not in a positive way, but in a good way for you to use every single moment of pain as much as you can, like sadness and all these things. It's important. It will take time to reprogram your mind, but yeah. Okay, that's for this video. I hope it will not be that long. And I'm sorry if I feel like weird, cry, and maybe some of my words not like in a good way because I have a lot of emotions. I have a lot of confusion right now. So yeah, this is for this video. I'm gonna see you soon. Love you. Bye.